This is a pair that I've wanted for such a long time. Let's see the other pair.
Oh, my shoes.
We've got one of the pairs. It came with the box and everything. Happy New Year's. I know it's not New Year's anymore, but this is the first video I dropped in 2024, and technically I'm filming it on New Year's Day. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different than a lot of the videos that I've been dropping on the channel recently, because today we are gonna be doing an old-fashioned unboxing, which honestly is one of my favorite kinds of videos because it's just unboxing new sneakers, which is the best. So over the last couple weeks, I've been kind of going crazy on Whatnot, buying sneakers with money that I got from selling sneakers and whatnot, or credit that I got from signups. So I picked up a couple Grails, shoes that I've been really wanting to get for a long time, but just haven't been able to justify because you know, I need to spend money on real things like house payment. But because, like I said, I've been saving up some credit and also money from sneaker sales that I had made, I felt like it was okay to splurge a little bit.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Oh, and not only did I grab some sneakers from Whatnot, I also got some sneakers in from Chase After the Right Price, who you guys might know from the video that I dropped a couple months back where I went to his house and bought an entire sneaker collection. Also, he's just an awesome YouTuber that you guys have to check out. But he just hit me up and was like, yo, let me send you some sneakers. You can give them away, keep them, whatever you want to do with them, but they're free. And I literally have no idea what's in here. But before we dive into the unboxing, I want to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Whatnot. Which actually, this wasn't even planned, but like I said, I bought all these sneakers from Whatnot, so it's kind of the perfect promo for this video. So if you haven't heard, Whatnot is a live auction shopping platform with sneaker auctions 24 hours a day, some starting at just $1. And as you guys can see, I use the platform all the time. I sell a lot of sneakers on Whatnot, but I also buy a lot of sneakers on Whatnot. And actually, I've got a Whatnot live stream coming up where I'm giving away this pair of Travis Scott Nike Attacks, or the Travis Scott Mac Attacks, or the Mac Travises. I forget exactly what they're called. But either way, we're giving these guys away for free to one of you guys. Not only that, I'm also gonna give away some of the sneakers that I got from Chase After the Right Price. Again, don't know exactly what those are gonna be, but it's gonna be a lot of sneakers that we're giving away in the next Whatnot live stream. And if you guys wanna be there for that, make sure to click the link at the top of the description below. And if you sign up using that link, you get $10 towards your first purchase on Whatnot. Make sure to bookmark that upcoming live stream because like I said, I'm giving away this pair of Travis Scotts as well as some more sneakers, which you guys will see, and also I'll see later on in the video. But it is now the moment of truth. Time to unbox this pair of, well, it could be a couple pairs of sneakers, I'm actually not sure, from Chase After the Right Price. If you guys want to check out his channel or even the video that we did together, make sure to click the link at the top of the screen or the link in the description below. I'm realizing now I probably should have used a table for this. I actually use a table for my tech channel, which if you guys haven't checked it out, make sure to click the link in the description below. There's like a million links down there, but they're all good. We are giving away an Xbox Series S on the tech channel. So if you guys want to possibly win that for yourself, should have used a table because this is difficult and this is not a light box. What do we have? Got some packing peanuts. We got a sole right there at the top. Oh no! Oh no, okay. Let me pull these out one at a time. Oh no, no. Wow, a lot of pairs of sneakers. They all kind of fell out of the box while I was dumping the peanuts. Here's what we've got inside the box. We've got 2 boxes and then also a pair of sneakers. And the pair that we have that is not in a box seems to be this pair of Jordan Team Jordans of some kind. I actually don't know exactly what these are. So these are the Air Jordan True Flight black basketball sneakers, the True Flight metallic gold. So there you go. This is a Team Jordan sort of mashup sneaker. It's cool, it's fine, nothing wrong with this, but we will be giving this away for free on Whatnot, so make sure to click that link in the description below if you haven't yet. It is a size 12, very solid. Actually, I've been thinking a lot about buying mystery boxes. If you guys would be interested in seeing me buy some mystery boxes, let me know in the comment section down below. On to the next pair of sneakers from Chase. Let's see what we've got. I'm not gonna read the label. Here we go. Jordan 1 lows, larger size, size 12. The official colorway is black cyber white, so I'm assuming the cyber is the green. Size 12. This is another free pair. We'll be giving these away on Whatnot. You got a perforated nubuck on the heel in sort of this neon green. You've got white leather, black leather. It's worn, but it's in surprisingly good condition, and again, totally free and going to one of you guys for free as well. So that's pretty cool. Huge thank you to Chase again for sending this stuff my way. You really didn't have to, but I really appreciate it. Very, very cool. And then on to the final pair of sneakers, which actually looks like it comes in an Air Jordan 1 box, which I'm really excited about. Now this doesn't look like it's a size 9 box, but if it was a size 9, I'd be very tempted to keep whatever it is. Let me see what size it is without reading the colorway. Size 13. Ooh, are they brand new? Oh, they're brand new. Oh my gosh. You got these guys, they are the, shoot, actually no. These are the pine green ones that dropped, I believe, last year. Was it 2023 or was it 2022? I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Oh wow, 2020. Wow, okay, so these dropped a while back. I actually have no idea how much these are going for. So I guess we'll give away all these pairs of sneakers plus the Travises in this upcoming Whatnot live stream. Huge thank you to Chase for these, man. These are so cool. I really appreciate all of this generosity. It's crazy. Thank you so much. But yeah, super fire pair of sneakers. One that I'm pretty sure I had a pair of, but I don't know what I did with it. I'm sure I sold it or something. Surprise, it's from 2020 or 2019. That's actually a lot farther back than I expected. All right, now that we've unboxed the stuff from Chase, let's move into the Grails. Now, I'll be honest, I don't know which box is which. I know I bought 3 pairs of sneakers. I bought them all from Net Magnetism on Whatnot. Let's just start with, I guess, the small one. I hope I'm not picking picking the best one first. Let me see what's inside the box, and I'll determine whether I should show you guys this first or last. I remember he said one of them was shipping from Japan because he didn't have it in my size in stock, and this is the one from Japan, but I just don't remember which pair it was. All three of these pairs are pretty wild. All three of these pairs are pairs that I don't know why I'm cutting it like this. All three of these pairs are pairs that I really wanted. Let's see, which pair is this? Ooh, I'm gonna save this one. This is a good one. This is probably my favorite. All right, so because we didn't go with that one first, let me do this box next. I mean, everything that I bought is definitely a really solid sneaker, but two of them are legitimate grails. One of them is just a really great pair of sneakers. Woohoo! Oh, he sent multiple things. So the first thing he sent actually isn't something that I ordered. He just sent this because he's awesome. So this is one of his net magnetism sneaker bricks, I think is the name of it. It's really sick. He has his own line of sneaker bricks. Now, I'm actually not going to show you guys the box because if I show you guys the box, it's going to ruin one of the sneakers because he very nicely picked a pair that I was unboxing in today's video that I bought from him. Thank you so much. This is so awesome. I'm so excited to build this. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is until later on in the video because it'll ruin the surprise, but very, very cool. All right, so moving into the first pair of sneakers, we've got a pair of off-white Nike Dunks. This is a size 9, my true size. I don't remember exactly which number of the lot this is or which lot number it is, but we've got one of the pairs right here, keeping the suspense because it's put in bottom first. Looks like he uses sole protector on the bottom, which is cool on the heel. Whew, look at that. I didn't even realize it came with a blue zip tie. That's so sick. Number 19 of 50. Now the reason I grabbed this is because one, it was a great price, and two, I really love the suede versions of these off-white Nike Dunk lows. I was about to say it's in great condition, but it might not be anymore. Oh my gosh, this is why I need to use a table. So here it is, the off-white Nike Dunk low. Lot 19 of 50 in very, very nice condition with the heel protector. Let me pull that off. I really appreciate that they used these, whosever pair this was, because it definitely kept the heel minty fresh, but I'm not gonna wear it with this. Wow, the heel looks, I mean, almost perfect. It's a very, very clean pair of sneakers. Absolutely love the way it looks. I love the orange laces. I love the blue tongue. That's so cool. I'm honestly not too familiar with all the different lots and what the differences are. I know they're all sort of like white leather uppers accented by some kind of, well, no, they're not all white leather uppers. Some of them are canvas, some of them are leather, but this is my favorite variation, the leather with the suede. And the pair that I had before was a canvas and leather pair, so I'm really happy to have this pair now. I got rid of the old pair. It's super clean, it's already worn, don't have to worry about creasing it up, which actually is one of the reasons why this shoe was priced so well, because it is worn. Let me know in the comment section which pair that we unboxed today is your favorite pair, but with that being said, let's move on to the next one. Actually, do you guys want to know how much I paid for each one of these pairs? I don't know if you guys care, but just in case you do. So I bought this pair for $300 even, which I thought was an amazing price, so huge thank you to Net Magnetism for that. Really stoked on this pickup. I know I don't usually tell you guys how much I pay for sneakers unless it's for a review, but just because I'm talking about how good of a deal I got in all these shoes, I might as well tell you guys how much I paid for them. Oh, no way. We've got another sneaker brick right here. This one actually is not a pair that I bought, so I don't mind showing you guys. This is the AJ1 Frag Travis. Oh, this is sick. Oh my gosh. Look at this. We've got the instruction manual, which shows you, which shows you what sneaker you're trying to build. I actually have like a real problem with Lego. It's an addiction.
These are my ladies. This is Jill. This is my lady Amy. Little Susie. Brianna. You know why we call her Brianna, right? No.
I bought the Titanic when I hit 1 million subscribers. Instead of going to a bar or something, I bought the Titanic and built it with my wife. That's what I do. So he didn't know that, but I'm super thankful that he sent me these sneaker bricks because now I'm gonna build these. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to build these. I'm 30. That's what I do. All right, getting into the next pair of sneakers. I forgot about this one. I think I will wear this pair the most out of the 3 sneakers that I bought from Net Magnetism because this is a pair that I've wanted for a very long time and I could not buy it when I was in Japan because someone else bought it out from under my feet. That's a good price, dude.
72,900.
I think it's a good price.
520.
That's a good price. That's a good pickup, dude. That is a really good pickup. I'm jealous. Those are actually really fire. And that, of course, is the Air Max 1 Atmos. Look at this. Now, unfortunately, there was no box, so that was one of the reasons why I got this pair for such a good price. But I mean, the pair itself is in like incredible condition. Now I forget if this is a size 8.5 or 9. I think I had to go with a size, it is a size 8.5. So I did have to go with a size 8.5 because unfortunately he did not have a size 9. But for the price that I paid, I'll squeeze. I'll make it work. Incredibly clean. Like, it's obviously been worn. Some of the nubs are missing on the outsole, but he did a really good job of cleaning it, I assume. You've got an extra set of laces, which I don't think are the original laces. Still very cool that he added a second set. You've also still got the printing on the insole, which is amazing, especially for a worn pair like this. And I'm actually gonna wear this to the office tomorrow morning and get everyone's opinions on these, so stay tuned for that. This is a pair that I've wanted for such a long time, and I'm so stoked to finally have it for such a good price, which was, let me check. I got these guys for $607.50. which is a really, really solid price. Oh man, I'm definitely gonna throw these on feet ASAP, like literally tomorrow morning. Now, obviously, this is the second release of the collab. It's the pair that I think released back in 2017, was the most recent release, 2016. No, 2017. These released for Air Max Day 2017, back when I used to live in New York City. I actually went to the drop for these, but I couldn't grab them. And of course, I wanted the original release pair as well, but unfortunately, couldn't get them, just like the second release. So to have these are literally an Air Max Grail for me. This is a pair that I've wanted for so long. It's just such a wearable pair. You've got the elephant print on the mud guard of the sneaker. You've got the white leather. You've got the black nubuck. You've got sort of the Tiffany green patent leather Nike swoosh. And what's cool about this pair, or I guess kind of meaningful about this pair, is that one of my favorite sneaker stores in Philly is actually Atmos. It used to be Ubik, but they got bought out by Atmos, who just got bought out by Foot Locker. And unfortunately, they're leaving the United States completely. All 3 Atmos stores in the United States are going away, which is awful. So I wanted to buy this pair just to kind of commemorate the store because I love it. I actually don't know if it's closed yet because they're just kind of trying to sell out all their inventory and then leaving. So I might try and wear these to Atmos this week. See if anyone notices. We'll see. I don't know. That would be a fun TikTok or reel. Actually, follow me on TikTok if you haven't yet, at Real Seth Fowler. I'd really appreciate the support. I know I'm going off on a tangent, but I feel like this is one of those fun videos where I can just talk. Really, really happy with this. Kind of wish it was a size 9, but I know a size 8.5 will fit. So happy with it regardless. Now we get to the final pair, the pair that I opened up first and realized what it was and decided to wait. So this pair, actually funny story, shipped from Japan, and that's because when I ordered it, I ordered a size 8 because that was the only size that was available. But Net Magnetism reached out and said, sorry, I don't have the 8.5 anymore, would you take a 9? And I was like, that actually is perfect. That works out even better than I thought. So he sent me a size 9, but he had to send it from Japan instead of where he's actually located because he did not have one at his location. And here it is. Crazy pair of sneakers. Oh my gosh. This is so wild. These are the off-white Nike Air Max 97s in this beautiful silver colorway with the, I don't know what to call it, the rainbow Nike swoosh. I believe the official name of this pair is Menta, the Air Max 97 Mentas. And it's a pair that I've wanted since they dropped, but I just could never get them. And now I have them in my size, which is amazing, because like I said, I bought these in a size 8.5, but now I have them in a size 9. I'm so stoked on these. Now there is definitely some yellowing in the upper of the shoe because the material that they use in off-white sneakers is sort of like a ripstop material or plasticky material. It does yellow very, very quickly. It hasn't yellowed on my, well, it has a little bit, on my off-white ones, which actually is mostly foam, so that doesn't really count. The Prestos have yellowed, the Nike swoosh has yellowed a bunch. The Nike swoosh actually is almost completely yellow. That's what happens, you can't even really see it anymore. And then the UNC ones, they didn't yellow because I think they used a different material. But either way, this is a pair that I really wanted to add, and it wasn't a pair that I could add from the $20 sneaker collection because unfortunately, it's not part of the original 10, at least not this colorway. So this is a pair that I was gonna have to buy on my own. Now obviously it is worn. The outsole is definitely worn a little bit. It's still got a lot of the nubs, but it's a little dark. Really great condition. I mean, there's really no scuffs or anything. It's mainly just yellowing. That's the only issue on the shoe. In fact, you still have the printing on the insole. That usually wears off first, so that's really cool. Produced between March 23rd, 18 and June 23rd, 18. So yeah, definitely a slightly older sneaker, now around 6 years because we hit 2024. And of course you got the off-white paragraph there in the inside of the shoe. Such a dope sneaker, man. I'm so excited about this. This is crazy. Let me check out the other one. I haven't seen the other side of the pair yet. Maybe it's totally destroyed, I don't know. Oh, here we go. Oh, wait, and we've got the zip tie still. So you've got this grayish, sort of bluish zip tie that didn't really match the upper of the shoe, but was close enough. Wow, you got a second set of laces. You got these teal laces, which match the end of the Nike swoosh. $4.95. Wow, I actually paid less for these than for these. That's crazy. Now, I did pay $4.95 for the size 8.5, so maybe the size 9 is worth more and he cut me a deal. I'm not sure. But either way, got these for a steal, in my opinion. An absolute steal because they still come with the box and the laces and the zip tie. Yeah, they've got all the original packaging. The box is like almost in perfect condition. It's nuts. All right, so I just pulled up at the apothecary office because I want to show us, man, sneakers that I picked up. Inside this bag, we got a couple pairs.
Okay, I like this. The suede's way nicer.
Dude, it really is.
I think I got, oh, this is nice too. This is the, these are my size?
They are actually size 9.
What are you doing with them?
I'm gonna keep them, I think. I'm gonna rock them.
Oh, they're so dirty, dude. I like these.
Oh, and then I got another pair.
Oh, you only brought one side?
Yeah, I brought one side, but I got another
so
pair.
I can't even count them.
You see the other pair?
Oh, my shoes. That's cool. Where'd
Right?
you get those?
Same place. I bought them all from Net Magnetism on Whatnot.
Good prices?
Yeah, actually, solid. So this one is a size 8.5, so it's a little small, but it fits. That one I ordered an 8.5 because that's all he had, but then he actually is like, yo, I actually got a size 9. Do you want that instead? And I was like, that one I paid like $4.50 for. These ones, it was closer to $6.
What did I pay? Do you remember?
Around the same, yeah. Oh, you should go for it.
But they're like very warm.
The one that I'm not sure about if I'm keeping or not is this one, because I just don't know if I need these, but...
Well, if you don't want these, I don't know if I'm going to pay that, though.
They look good, especially with the pink on your shirt, too. Yeah, they look good.
What'd you pay?
I think it was like $450. 450 or 5, I'm not sure, but it came with the box and everything. Like all the laces, everything. What would you rank these pickups out of a 10? Yeah, all three.
Like 2 combined.
Yeah, all combined.
7.
7? Okay. Man, I'm so stoked on these pickups. Here, let me grab them all and show them to you guys really quick. So here they are, the Grail pickups. We've got the Atmos Nike Air Max 1s. We've got the Off-White Nike Air Max 97 Mentas. And then, of course, the Off-White Lot 19 Nike Dunk Lows. Let me know in the comment section down below which pair is your favorite. I originally was thinking the Off-White 97 Mentas, but now that I see the Atmos in person, I might have to go with these. These might be the pickup. Also, these are the most expensive pair, which I didn't realize. So yeah, really stoked on all these pickups. Again, if you guys want to win some pairs of sneakers for free for yourself, make sure to check out my upcoming Whatnot live stream linked in the description below. You can win Travis Scott's, you can win some Jordan 1s, a lot of really great stuff that you guys can pick up through Whatnot. So again, click that link in the description below and bookmark my upcoming live stream. But of course, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me in 2024. It's something that I've really been thinking about a lot. I want to change things up a little bit, but not too much. So let me know what you guys would like to see in the comment section down below. But Happy New Year to you guys. See you soon.